it's just me, I'll give you all this money.
Of course! Okay, go ahead and trade, but then flip the lid.
Okay.
Yes! Onions!
Whoa! These onion rings look so fancy! Which one should I choose for the chocolate? Oh!
Wow, you actually like that?
Yeah, a lot actually.
Maybe this one won't be so bad. I just gotta do this. So gross. Ew. Can we just move on to the next round?
Yeah, Mia, okay. I hope this round sweetens your food palate. Ready?
Wait, I want to choose this time.
Okay, okay. I want this one.
What? I chose the broke one. How did I do that?
Oh, that means I have the rich one. Yes!
Mine's so small and plain. Look at yours with all those jewels.
Chocolate and chocolate, it will taste even better. This is the best.
How can I make this little piece last? I have an idea. I'll just dip it in the chocolate and just lick it like a lollipop. Oh no, I accidentally ate it. It was so small.
Sorry, Mia.
But we need to move on. There's still more rich and broke food left to eat.
1, 2, 3, reveal your food.
Gold Oreos! Boo! Yours is so small.
It's still so small.
Time to eat.
Oh, that's not fair.
Don't worry, Joyce. This is the final round. We have one real food left. Whoever gets it wins the challenge. Listen up, ladies. Are you ready? Yeah!
Gold coins. Aw, does this mean I lose?
Probably. I think this is a cake. I definitely won.
Well, the only way to find out is by tasting it.